Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious strawberry sorbet at home, the only way. This simple recipe requires just a few fresh ingredients and a little patience. You will need about 1 pound of ripe strawberries, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. A tiny pinch of salt truly elevates the flavor. Make sure you have a good blender or food processor and an ice cream maker ready for the best results. First, prepare your beautiful strawberries. Hull and slice approximately 1 pound of fresh, ripe berries. Next, combine these sliced strawberries with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in your blender. Blend everything until the mixture is completely smooth and forms a vibrant puree. Take a moment to taste it. You can always add a little more sugar or lemon juice to suit your preference. Now for a crucial step, chilling. Transfer your strawberry puree to a bowl or container and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This chilling process is absolutely essential for achieving that perfect, smooth sorbet texture. Once thoroughly chilled, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's instructions, which typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Your homemade strawberry sorbet is almost ready. Directly from the ice cream maker, it will have a delightful soft serve texture. If you prefer a firmer sorbet, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it for an additional 2 hours. Serve your refreshing creation immediately, perhaps garnished with a fresh mint sprig or a whole strawberry. You can store any leftovers in the freezer for up to 1 week to enjoy later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.